Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Let's just quickly place one trade before I explain this strategy. Let's watch the movement again. Let's watch it going up. Okay, it's pushing right up there. Okay, I see we won that trade. It's Matthew again. Is our sixth strategy for today, and for those who haven't subscribed to all our channels, we have 3 channels now. We dropped two strategies on each of the channels today. Today is the 1st of May 2021. This is the 6th one, so we're going to paste the description, the links to subscribe to all the channels in the video description, and here are the channels again. Just subscribe to all the channels. This is one channel, and this is a new channel, and this is the channel you are currently watching this on. So make sure you subscribe to all the 3 channels for all our strategies we dropped today. Just go right there to watch them and share. So we're going to paste all the links here in the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the strategy first. I'm using the smart trader, and you can see I've logged into the smart trader.deriv interface, and here we'll be trading the volatility 10 index, touch, no touch, and once you've logged in, change this to smart trader. Then you click on volatility 10 index, you click on the touch, no touch, you set the durations to 6 ticks, then you set the barrier offset to plus 0.49. then you enter the amount you are willing to stake. Then once this thing is pushing up, you can see the edges is pushing right up again. Once it's pushing up, you click on purchase. That's our second trade right there. So you'll be waiting for 1 minute after each trade before you place another trade. You have to wait for at least 1 minute. You can see we won that trade there. You won that trade, so you have to wait for at least 1 minute before we go for another trade. And before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER bot, just to let you guys know that the version 6.0 is out today, and we'll be sending it to all those who have previously purchased the bot at no extra cost. The 6.0 comes in 2 versions, the one for deriv and the one for bots.binary.com interface. So just check your emails if you have previously purchased the bot. And for those who haven't purchased the bot, the bot is just 9.99 USD. You can see some of the results today, 1st of May 2021. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. You can see this is the URL again. The bot is just 9.99 USD. And for those who haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER bot as well, the PIPSREAPER bot has also been updated today, 1st of May 2021. All you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPERBot.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER bot. It's just 7.99 USD. You can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer as well. And here again are the links to subscribe to all our channels. This is a new channel. These are the links to order the bots. These are the links to order the bots. This is the PIPSREAPER bot. We are going to paste this in the video description on YouTube. Just check the video description. Binary PIPSREAPER bot.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and this is the TOUCHSCALPER bot as well. This is a link to order the bots, and here is the link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, just check the link on YouTube. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is one channel. This is the new channel. Subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. We have dropped 6 strategies today on each of the channels. We dropped two strategies. Just subscribe to all the channels to watch all the strategies. So let's get back to the trading. So we can place another trade now. Let's watch the world movement again. You can see it's pushing right up. Let's wait for the edges to go up. It's facing up, so as you can see, we won that trade. So